of Senator Samuel Naimeka Anyanwu.
Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, let me first of all congratulate the celebrant and his immediate family for this very well-organized 60th birthday ceremony. No, it's okay. Mr. Chairman, of today's occasion, while I was sitting with you, your wife, Mr. Chairman, I hope, please, if you're happy about the birthday celebration of our friend, please, let's listen to ourselves. Mr. Chairman, of today's occasion, the former Senate President, former Governor of Kwara State, Senator Dr. Saraki, who I'm privileged to sit close to with the wife. While I was sitting there, the wife said, "Is this the International Conference Center that recently named as Bola Ahmed Tinubu International Conference Center?" I said, "Yes." She said she can't believe it. I said, "Why?" That this is not International Conference Center she knows. Anybody who likes good thing, except you're a sadist, anybody who likes good thing, whether you like Mr. President, you don't like Mr. President, you say good thing is good. Is it not correct? Mr. Chairman, yes, I know you're a man of quality. See what good governance is all about. See what good governance is all about. The book reviewer, he may not be happy, but the truth of the matter is that I know you as a man who loves good governance. See good governance here. I will most commend whoever under whose leadership that can turn around this. And this is what Nigeria deserves. I told my friend, Senator Samdadi, you will be the first person I will approve as a private person to use this place. Why did I say so? I say so because I know as the secretary of the opposition party, you will drag so many people here so they will see with their eyes. Seeing is believing. Today you have seen it. So, Mr. Samdadi, I thank you so much for bringing everybody here today. Those who love good things are here. But there are some people I will not approve for them to use here. It is under my prerogative to approve or not approve.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Those of you who say you cannot see anything good, I will not approve. But those of you who love good things, I will approve. Now, Senator Samdadi was my colleague, but I was his boss. Senator Saraki said he was his boss. I was the first boss to Samdadi. When I was the president of Algon, I was chairman of council. Samdadi was chairman of council, but I was his boss. So you were later his boss, but I was his boss first. And at the grassroots level, that is the major place. Now, so many people have talked about Samdadi here. Let me tell you one thing in life. I didn't come here to play politics, but because he's a politician, politics must come in. For those of you who don't want to hear, you must hear. The only way you will not hear is you go, but you are here, so you must hear it. Now, let me tell you one of the things why I personally told Samdadi I will be the special guest of honor. The book review I've talked about National Secretary bringing about a party, not bringing about a party. One thing I like about people, yes, he has had his challenges. Yes, I've had issues with him. It may not have been favorable. But one thing I've always told people in life is try to tell people where you belong. Recently, all of us know what has been happening. I called Samdadi. I said, come, are you sure you will stand firm on this your matter that some people are going right, they are going left, they are going front, and they are going backward? What makes a man character is very key. It's not how much money you have. The chairman of the organization of Nigeria said, Senator Samdadi is a man of this and that. I'm not talking about food here. If you don't have character, go to hell with your food. Senator Saraki said, when he was the Senate president, Samdadi stood firm. And how you determine people is when there's time for crisis, when there's time for war. What the man says this morning, is it what he will say in the afternoon? Is it what he will say in the night? And I called him. I said, Senator, let me warn you. If you know you can't stand firm, say it now. Because as a landlord of this place, I will invoke the right of the gods of this land if you do anything contrary. To be landlord, is it by mouth? I'm the only one who can pour libation here. So I told him, are you sure you can stand this war. You can stand this fight. Fight where virtually everybody, governors are fighting you. It's not easy. But if you stand firm, you will win. But if you begin to go left, you go right, not only will you lose, you will suffer. And you told me, sir, I will stand firm. I will not change. And I said, I like people who are very consistent in life. And somebody has shown with what has just happened recently is a man that will stand. And that is character, like the Senate President attested to. There was a time there was crisis in the Senate. So many people were, if you call them, I'm coming. Where are you? My wife, there's a problem in the family. But he said here, Frank said it doesn't matter. I will stand firm. I stood by him. It's not about what you will get. He stood firm. Today, he's reaping it. The mother called me the other day and said, my son, I'm happy that people like you who take decision and stand firm, and for my son not to be disgraced. That's what they call people of character. You don't buy it. You can be 80 years, you don't have character, it's rubbish. So many people say that 85 years, I agree. But can you say one thing now and stand by it? If you cannot, take your 80 years, 85 years and go. It's of no help to anybody. I've seen people like Chief Jim Wobodo. People, when they tell you they will do something, they will do something. When they say they stand with you, they stand there with you. That is life. That's where it's supposed to be. Sam, God has given you 60 years. When we were 60 years, for those of you who are laughing, may you not get to my age. I told you, if you do well, you will get our own age. And I'm happy to, by the grace of God, you are coming up, you are 60, you will get to the age where we are today. Let me assure you, for people like us, we'll start with you, we'll continue to be with you. It doesn't matter what people will say. Most of the PDP people who are here, I may not be in good terms with them. Sam, let me tell you, nobody who fights a war and wins, don't go and beg, you have won. People should come and talk to you. Whether the chairman of the occasion is happy or not, you won. Let people come and talk to you. People should not invite you. I can't go to war and win a war, fight a war and win. Then you say, come. You will come to me. Come to me. As I want. And you have people like me. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. I'm here. We have done it before. We'll do it again. Saraki may not be happy. The chairman, the legal advisor may not be happy. Don't fear me. Professor Jerry Ghana may not be happy, but I'm happy. When they pain them, they sweet us. As they sweet us, they pain them. So, Sam, I congratulate you. We are our friends. We congratulate you for your 60th birthday and for your victory. And for your what? Victory. Anybody who's not happy, let you go and win like you won. It's not easy. So, my coming here is not to make the chairman of today's occasion to be happy. It's to make you to be happy. And to encourage you to say that when you choose yourself, how will you bring people to feel here? He says, sir, I will try. I'm quite impressed with what I've seen. It shows you are a man of the people. You are a man that people love. Roches Okorocha is here. He's my boss, even though sometimes I revoke his land, yes. Because the right thing must be done. He's my man. Senators are there, yes. Ibazu, my colleagues are here, yes. If you don't pay, I take back our property. Because look at what Johannesburg did here. Is it by empty hand? It's not money. Pay, you get the best services. And you are getting the best services under the leadership of Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Grand Commander of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I have no apologies. I'm the one here. If you don't agree, the light will go off. So, the mother of Sam, I thank you for bringing us somebody like Sam. It is not easy. Sam is not an easy person, though. How you have managed Sam is not easy. Sam is not an easy person. Mama, I thank you. You have passed through hell to hold Sam. It's not easy. Today, everybody is rejoicing. What this woman must have passed through to raise Sam to this level. I didn't know that Sam went to the University of Port Harcourt. Maybe I would have left the university then. Because I'm an alumnus of the University of Port Harcourt. But I think I've left 5-6 years before Sam entered the university. I mean, by the age difference, you will know that I would have left the university before Sam entered there. But today, by power, is the National Secretary of my party.
I see the sweet us, he go they pain them. I see they pain them, oh they sweet us. I see the sweet us, he go they pain them. I see they pain them, mama they sweet us.
So, you know, the chairman and the advisor, they are sitting together. They are not happy. They are not happy. Me and Sam and our group, we won. We won. So, thank you, Mama. God will continue to give you long life. And give Sam, my younger brother, long life. And all of us here. Professor said, to revive the party, you will try. Professor, Chairman, book reviewer, you too, are you sure? Are you ready to revive the party? Thank you, and God bless you.
Then they fear you, oh, day. You, oh, day. Then they fear you, oh, day. Yes, so wicked that they fear you, oh. Come on, body yourself.